budget smartwatch under $70, CMF Watch Pro. It has a 1.69-inch beautiful AMOLED display and with 600 plus nits of brightness. It has a 58 frames per second frame rate, so when you're using the software it looks really smooth. The build quality of this watch is really good, like the aluminum shell and the way they have colored it and the dial and these bands, I think they look really cool. In terms of its sensors, it has a heart rate sensor and supports 24/7 heart rate monitoring, a blood oxygen saturation sensor to check how much of oxygen is in your blood, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, and it can track up to 110 different sports like cycling, horse riding, skating, and other similar sports. You can make calls, Bluetooth calls using this one, so you can call to other people's or listen calls using your watch. And it has a built-in GPS, so when you're doing some activities running or cycling, and your history can be tracked on the map as well, and you can see those histories and your paths. Raise wrist to wake up functionality, or it also has an always on display functionality as well. Inside the CMF Watch app that you can use on your Android phone or an iPhone, you can change the watch faces of this watch very easily. There are a number of different beautiful and well polished watch faces. You can also upgrade the software of this watch using the CMF Watch app on your phone, and there are other functionalities like summaries of your previous data, notifications controls, like which devices can send you notifications on your watch, and find my watch. All these features are available inside the watch app. Control music through it. You can use it as a camera control, like open the camera view on your phone and use it to trigger the camera shutter. And find my phone is also here, timer, calculator, all those functionalities are here that you will be able to find on other smartwatches as well.